Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I would film a summer get ready with me using Kylie Cosmetics. So if you want to know my thoughts and opinions on this look and her collection with Kourtney, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm already starting off with one of my eyes done. And here is the collection, and I got the blue one just because I love the shades and the red lipstick, and the packaging is so beautiful. And again, with the palette, it's kind of like a hard plastic, so give or take whether you like that or not, you know, it depends, but I don't mind it. Now I'm just starting off by highlighting my brow bone and inner corner to create some light and definition to my eye. Next, I'm going in with that light brown as a transition color, and I'm just applying it a little bit above my crease and also in my crease. And as you can see, the colors are very pigmented, but they're also very crumbly, so you have to watch out for fallout, but they do blend out super easily as well. Next, I'm taking that yellow gold and just applying it and patting it on my eyelid, almost creating a soft kind of cut crease look. And this color is more pigmented, I do have to say, when you apply it with your fingers, but it works pretty well with a brush as well. Next, I'm taking that shade next to it, which is kind of like a gold, rose gold. It's a little hard to explain, but it's so beautiful. And I'm just applying that over top to create kind of more of like this peachy toned look. Now I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm just applying that to my outer V and crease. And as you can see, I'm just kind of starting off and blending it in little small circular motions, and I found that the color got buffed out a little too much when I did that. So I went back in and I patted the color, and I found I got the most payoff doing it that way and then blending it out. And as you can see, the color blends out so smoothly as well with this one. And I'm just applying it to my lower lash line and connecting it back up to my top lash line to create kind of like that cat eye sexy look. Now I'm just blending everything out so we don't look crazy and there's no harsh lines. Now next I'm going in with this Tarteist liner in the shade Bronze, I believe, and I'm just applying kind of like a semi-dramatic wing to my top lash line. I didn't want anything too intense, so I went in with this lovely brown shade. Oh, and also don't worry, I will definitely clean up my eyeshadow. I always go in with concealer afterwards to make sure everything's nice and crisp. Now I'm just applying a couple of coats of mascara to my top lashes and my bottom ones as well. By the way, like this video if you're loving my pink hair. Alright, so now onto the lips. So this is the packaging for her liquid lipstick with Kourtney, which is called Rad, and it's this gorgeous bright kind of red with an orange tint to it. It's so gorgeous. I love it. And I do find that with this liquid lipstick, you only need one coat. At least I used one coat and I found it very pigmented. It does have kind of like this strong vanilla scent to it. So, you know, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you won't. You know, that's how life goes. The applicator itself, I found it pretty easy to use to create those kind of nice lines that you want around your mouth to make it nice and crisp. And yeah, what can I say? I definitely love this liquid lipstick. It's not sticky and it dries matte. So that's it, guys. That's the final look. If you liked it, definitely don't forget to leave me your comments below. Also subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys, I love you.